friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today I am sharing with you guys part 2 of my Christmas decorate with me. If you missed part 1, I'll link it down in the description box and pop it up in the cards here so you guys can check it out. I am going to try to have part 3 up by the end of the week, so if you enjoy these kinds of decorating videos, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Let's go ahead and get decorating. So we are starting off decorating in this video where we left off in part 1. I did not fully decorate the tree in part 1. If you watched it, you saw that some of the lights on the tree just weren't lighting up, so we had to go get a small light strand to kind of patch in the holes where the lights were missing. It was all good. We got it to work. So now I can finally put the picks in, the ribbon, and then I saved all the ornaments until Jack got home from work because that's just something that we like to do together. And most of the ornaments that I put on the tree are like personal ornaments, and you know, I don't need to film that for you guys. You know what that looks like. But I use little strips of ribbon. You kind of see I have them already pre-cut. This just makes it really easy for me to put them where I want them and adjust them. I know some people do it where they just use one long strand of ribbon and wrap it around the tree. I find that this is way easier. You can't really tell where the ribbon doesn't connect because you're tucking it into the branches, and then of course the ornaments go over the top of the tree. So you can't really tell at all, and I just find that this is way faster and way easier this way. We are moving on to the second tree in the house that I put up, and this one is in our music studio. It's just a small little 3-foot tree, but it is perfect for this room because we like to put all of our ornaments that are musical, and we have some that have like musical instruments on them and things like that. For those of you who don't know, my fiance and I are both musicians, so that's why we have a music studio. I give lessons, and this is just so cute when the kids come over to take lessons. They see like a little tree with a bunch of music ornaments on it. I also, you'll see in a minute, I have ribbon, and it does have the music and the lyrics to Silent Night on it, and I like to put that on this tree as well. And I think this is just so perfect for this room, and it doesn't take me very long to decorate either. So Jack pointed out to me that I had actually put that ribbon on the tree upside down, but at this point I'm too lazy to take it off, so it's just gonna have to stay there. And I'm just gonna add a few more small finishing touches to the room, a couple of throw pillows and a couple of small little signs, and this room is completely finished. And now we're gonna move on to the guest room.
Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish, and as we decorate the
So down here, I don't really have any other comforters besides this purple and green one, and I just feel like it needed to go for the season. So I'm kind of makeshifting a comforter with a couple of different like blankets I have. I've got this decent sized blanket I'm laying out here, and then I also have a weighted blanket, and I feel like the combination kind of gives it that effect of having a comforter on the bed. It'll do, and honestly, there's like 4 layers on this bed now, so it's plenty warm if anyone wants to stay over. I feel like you'd be comfortable sleeping here, but The reason that I don't have any sheets for this bed is because this one is a full and then the bed upstairs is a queen. So maybe what I should do is move the like duvet set I have on the bed upstairs down here, because it really would fit a full-size bed too, and then just get some new bedding for upstairs. But I don't know, not a priority. So for right now, I think this will do, and it turned out really good.
I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow
I'm just going to give this bathroom a quick wipe down before I decorate it. I don't want to do a whole lot in here just because the vanity is really small and it's still the only working bathroom in the house, so I don't want to clutter up the sink with a bunch of decor. I do like that we added that shelf above the toilet. It does give me like a little bit of an extra space to add just, you know, a couple little extra somethings. And then I'm going to put up my Christmas shower curtain because, yes, I am just that extra that I have to have a Christmas shower curtain too. So I wanted to add a little something to the bar cart, but nothing too, you know, crazy or over the top. So I had this little tray that I got last year from my aunt, and I wasn't able to put it out last year since I received it as a Christmas present, but I was really excited to use it this year. I put our champagne flutes out and just a couple little cocktail straws in this wine glass. Again, nothing too crazy here. And then I'm going to go around the house and put up wreaths and signs and just a few little things here and there. I found this command hook that I'm putting up at Target, and it's in the oil rubbed bronze finish, which I didn't even know they made like decorative command hooks, but I thought this one was so pretty, so you're gonna have to wait and see what I end up hanging up in this spot.
Of everything but you, these are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
I'm always really careful when I decorate my countertops because I do like to use my countertops as workspace, so I don't overdo it on the countertops either. So the only thing I'm putting over here is just a small Rae Dunn Merry Christmas candle and this super cute sign I got from Hobby Lobby that says "We whisk you a Merry Christmas." It was so cute, I could not pass it up. And then on the other side of the counters, I'm just gonna do over here one of my little cookie jars that Jack got me last year for Christmas. And again, nothing too much since I do like to use this as workspace.
To me, and when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
So I ended up putting this bow on the back of the door here, and I think it kind of makes it look like the door's like a present or something since it's, you know, shaped like a rectangle. But I wanted to throw this little clip in of Josie. She was following me around the whole time I was decorating, like my little shadow, so I wanted to make sure that she got some screen time since I know so many of you guys love seeing her in my videos. She's just too precious. But just a couple more finishing touches I'm going to put on the house. Then I'm going to give you guys just a little bit of a walkthrough of just a couple of small touches. I will be filming a home tour after the entire house is decorated. I still have to do the upstairs, but I will be doing a Christmas home tour so you guys can see everything in its final state, and I'll talk more in depth in that video as to where I got every single thing from. But that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my internet family, and I will see you guys really soon with my Christmas Decorate With Me Part 3. I cannot wait. Bye, guys.
Lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing. Is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do,